How to connect the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301 through 4303 printer series to a wireless router. HP printers cannot use wireless or Wi-Fi connections and wired Ethernet connections simultaneously. Before starting setup, make sure the printer is not connected to the network via an Ethernet cable. Note: to print wirelessly, you must connect the printer and your computer or mobile device to the same network or router. On the printer control panel, select Menu and then scroll to and tap Settings. Under Network, tap Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi and select the Wireless Setup Wizard option. The printer searches for a wireless router. This can take a few minutes to complete. If you don't see the name of the wireless router you want to connect to, select Refresh to begin the search again. When you see in the list, select the name of the wireless router you want to connect to. If your wireless router requires a password, enter the network password to connect. Then select Submit. If the setup information is correct, select OK and wait a moment while the printer connects. When the connection to the wireless router is successful, select OK. If, during the setup process, you were unable to find the name of your network in the list, return to the Wi-Fi menu. If your computer or mobile device is on a 5 GHz band frequency, you might need to adjust your printer settings. Enable the 5 GHz band frequency option and run the Wireless Setup Wizard again. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.